Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my look and review on the All of You Forever palette by Voss. We just got this palette in our Boxycharm for the month of January 2021, and you know what? I thought I want to play with it, so might as well sit down and film myself playing with it, give you guys a look, give you my thoughts and opinions on it, see if I like it, and maybe give you some inspo to use this palette yourself if you got this in your Boxycharm box. So that's what we're gonna do today. I did review and upload my That's My Jam from Too Faced yesterday, as well as some brand new cream blushes and lip colors from NARS. So if you want to check out that video or either one of those videos, then the link will be down below for you guys to go watch. But we're gonna do this palette today, which is just so pretty. But anyways, if you are into these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I do want to mention really quick that I do have a Jeffree star giveaway going on right now. So if that is something you're interested in entering, then I will have a link below. Go check it out and enter. Now time for this. This is the packaging, and I'm excited to show you the inside of this palette. The color story is actually really pretty. Something about these tones remind me of Valentine's Day, which isn't your normal red and pink and white. Something about Valentine's Day screams olive tones to me, so this could be a cute little palette to do a little Valentine's Day look with. Get you a nice pink outfit on with a neutral color and like a green. I think that would be really, really pretty. So this is what the palette looks like. I'm just going to pick whatever shades and throw them on my eyeballs, and we'll see where this look takes us. So let me zoom you in. Disregard the eyebrows. We tried today and we just didn't do a very good job. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes with the Zoeva eyeshadow primer in matte. So the first shade I want to use is this one here called Wink, and I'm just going to apply it to my crease. And I'm going to bring the color out into the outer corner. Now to bring a little bit more of a darker color to my crease, I'm going to add this shade here, and I'm going to apply it just under the shade I applied first, and this is the shade called Wishful. There is some fallout under my eye, so just note that. Now I really want to darken it up more, so I'm going to use this shade here, which is called Infatuated, and just deepen up that outer corner. Now I want to take the very first shade that we used, Wink, and I want to just kind of do some buffing to the top of my eye look. So just above here and do buffing. And it really just helps soften everything and just pull it all together. So now I want to take this shade right here and work it on my outer corner of my lower lash line. This is the shade Charmed. Now taking the shade Wishful, I'm going to apply it to the rest of my lower lash line. Well, I definitely have some fallout now. Looks kind of bad. Hopefully I can get rid of it. Now with the dark shade underneath, I'm just going to take this brush that had that light shade Wink on it that I was using to buff, and I'm just going to kind of bring this and try and get it to blend out some to create kind of like a false line. And I want to try and blend it up to where the tip of my eyebrow is. Okay, so now I need to pick whichever shimmery shade I want to use on my eyes. So I'm going to swatch them all for you and I'm just going to show you. All right, so here are all of the shimmer shades swatched. I would say they're not like the best formula on the market, so they definitely took a lot of building up, but they are gorgeous shades, and I have a feeling that this is going to be one of those formulas that the shade will really look good if you wet the brush or wet your finger. So I'm not sure what color I want to do. I know I want to probably go for a green to kind of make this more of a olive Valentine's Day flirty vibe look type situation, because we do have this color going on. I think I might go with the shade Olive Me, I think. Yeah, we're gonna go for that shade. So that's what we're gonna do. First, I am just going to apply it with my finger, and then I'm going to wet it with some setting spray, and then I'll show you like how it transforms. Now I'm wetting my finger and applying it. Pretty. So now I'm going to take the shade Wishful right here, and I'm going to run it through my crease and just kind of blend those two together. I do have some more fallout, which I will take care of, but now I'm going to do my lashes and liner, and I will be right back to show you the final look and my final thoughts. Okay, so here is the final look. What do you guys think? It definitely gives me like more of a, not your average Valentine's Day look kind of situation, but it's pretty freaking cute, if I do say so myself. Lashes are Noella Lashes. I'll have them linked down below. Anyways, let me zoom you out and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so final thoughts on the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. Do I recommend this palette if you were to go out of your way and purchase it? Absolutely not. It was not that groundbreaking. The mattes were kind of dry and powdery, but they did blend really, really well. So I'll give it that. They blended well. The color story on this is really, really pretty. I wouldn't say the shimmer shades are groundbreaking at all whatsoever either. But if you did get this in your Boxycharm box, I would be pretty happy with it, because it's not a terrible palette, but it's not one that I would seek out to buy, you know what I mean? A lot of these shades you have in other palettes, well, maybe not the olive tone shades, but there's other palettes like ColourPop palettes that have these tones, or even single shadows that you can get for dirt cheap if you did want to get one. But I don't know, Violet Voss's formula, I remember I liked it when I first tried them, but now that I've tried so many other brands, Violet Voss kind of falls short for me, and I don't really think that their palettes are as good as I at once thought they were. They're kind of like on the scale from 1 to 10 as like a brand with their eyeshadow quality, probably like a 4. It's not that great, but the eye look did come out really, really nice. They weren't hard to work with, but it's not the quality of shadow that I'm used to using. But it's still like not a bad palette. Don't say that that I'm like, you know, thinking it's a terrible palette, but whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's my thoughts and my opinions. Did you get this in your Boxycharm box? Do you like it? Do you like Violet Voss? Let me know down below. Do you like the eye look? Are you gonna recreate it? You could do this and switch it out for different shimmer shades, what have you. I think the look actually came out so pretty. It could be a really great Valentine's Day look. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!